Hi friends, today we're making a volcano.
Oh my gosh, a real live volcano?
No, like a cardboard volcano.
Oh, an experiment volcano. Alright guys, so what are we doing here?
We're gonna cover the whole base of the volcano with duct tape.
Ooh, what is that for? Why are we doing that?
So it won't leak through. And also, can I tell you a joke?
Yeah.
Why did the duck take the tape?
Why?
To make a duct tape.
Oh, that's a good joke, Quintio. Alright, Quinella, let's get to taping. And we're done. So now that the base is covered, we have to put the volcano in the middle. But wait a minute. Out of all these things, which one's the volcano? Is this a volcano?
Nope.
Is this a volcano?
No.
That would be okay, volcano. Is this a volcano?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, and how are we going to make it stick?
Hey!
So now the volcano is in the middle. What's the next step? Do you guys know? Painter tape. We're going to grab painter tape and we're going to put it from the volcano all the way down to each of the corners of the base. Whoa, this is turning out pretty cool. I see what you're doing. You're making kind of like a tent shape. So wait, what goes underneath that?
Paper, so it gets bigger.
Ooh, okay. So let's do the paper. Whoa, so it's starting to take shape, King Theo and Quinella. So what's next?
That we use paper to put in the bowl with glue. And all we need for that is water, glue, and paper.
So we're basically making paper mache? Is that what we're doing?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So let's do it. But this part is a little bit messy. So if you're trying this at home, maybe ask your parents for help. Whoa, that turned out amazing. So what do we do next, King Theo and Quinella?
We wait. Yeah.
Wait? How long do we wait for?
I think a day or two.
I think it's just overnight. So how about we go to dreamland, we wake up, and we keep going.
Yeah!
A few hours later.
How did the volcano wake up today?
It's great. It's like literally rock solid. Yeah.
Oh, let's paint it. So we'll add a gray color, and then you guys can add the little details. We're using spray paint, but kids at home, you guys can use whatever paint you guys have available. Just make sure that you double check with your parents. Right, King Theo? We ask, okay. Right, Queen Anna, that we ask our parents. Okay, cool. So let's get this painted, and then when are we gonna make the volcano erupt?
A few days.
Today. King Theo, Queen Ella. So the volcano looks super realistic. It even has the lava at the bottom. So tell me, what do we do now? Are we ready to erupt?
Yeah!
Okay, so in order to erupt, we're gonna put, just so our friends know, some vinegar that we already have made red. We have a funnel that Queen Ally is going to put on the mouth of the volcano. And then, King Theo, what is that white stuff? Is that sugar? What is that you're pouring into it?
Baking soda.
Baking soda. So
If you guys just fast forward to this part for the explosion, go back and you will see
the process.
Yeah, the process to build it.
Perfect. Okay, who's ready to erupt the volcano?
Hey!
2, go.
Oh good! It actually erupted!
Whoa.
Oh my god, that looks
It
so
did.
cool!
What'd you guys think?
I loved it. And if you guys want to see the back, this is going to be with the back.
Whoa, so check that out.
And if
Quinella,
you guys want to see the back, this is the back.
Quinella, what'd you think of the volcano eruption?
She was terrified.
Was it a little scary?
Yeah, it was.
Were you scared, King Theo?
No, like once I felt it on my hands, I moved back. I thought it was like something crawling.
Okay. King Theo.
Yeah?
Quinella, what do we want to tell our friends?
Thank you for watching. We hope you like our video. Bye!